This video shows us how to add doors to the building. You can add doors using the 3D view or floor plan views. And the procedure is I'm going to take the floor plans. So we are going to start with a 01 lower level. Here you can see all the walls. On the architecture tab, you click on the door button. And then you pick up a type of doors to add, a door to add, because the template only gives us a limited type of doors, is a single flush actually with different dimensions. We have to load more types of doors, or in Revit it's called a load family, or load a particular door family. So after you click on the door button, you have a new tab called a modify place doors. Here it's called a load family button. This one allows you to load more type of doors with the dimensions to the project. So let's click on load family. And here is the load family dialog window. We're loading the family from US Imperial folder. We need to locate doors folder. And this project asks us to load 3 new families. One bifold -4 panel. Bifold door with 4 panels. Second one is a double glass 2. And the third one is a single glass 2. Alright, you can use the Shift Control key to highlight multiple family files or RFA files in the folder. Then open. Now the family should have been loaded already. If you look at the type selector, you have more doors to choose from. And let's start with the double glass door. So go to the double glass category. We pick up a dimension 72 by 84 inches. This should be placed as the main entrance. So it's on the east wall. When you place a door, you can place a door opening inside or outside by moving the cursor. It should open outside and snap it to the wall. And the two icons, the two symbols on the door indicate the direction or inside outside. So this icon is outside. So basically means if you place a door, the outside of the door is on this side. That's correct. And you can also flip door. It works for the single door because double glass. If you flip, it still do the same. Alright, so the second door here will be placed. There's another double door to place on this entry level. Let's go to 02 entry. And then with the door. And the same type of double glass. Number 2, 72 by 84 inches. We're going to place that. It should open to the balcony. And let me show you after the door place, if you want to modify the direction, you can use a modify button. Pick up a door. Use this button to make it inside or outside. Use this one to flip it right or left. And then we start adding those single glass doors. Door button. And is single glass 236 by 84 inches. So the first one is placed on the second level or entry level. Open inside. Let's place the door here. We can adjust the direction by clicking the buttons here. Alright, there's another single flush. More doors to add. Door button. We're going to do a single flush, 32 by 84 inches. But we have to go to the lower level. Well, let's go back to the entry level. Let's finish all the doors over there first. Entry level, single glass, or single flush, 32 by 84. Just place the door here. Or when you place, if you don't want to change it later, you can use the space bar on the keyboard to flip, to change the direction of the door. Just like this. Now let's go to 01 entry level. Here are more single glass or single flush doors to add. .32 by 84 inches. One over here. One here. Now we need to add some bifold doors to the closet. Door button. Bifold 4 panel. 72 by 84 inches. Open toward outside. And we have all the doors. Now you probably want to look at all the doors in the 3D view. So go to 3D. Hit the shift and orbit or free orbit to look at it. Or another way to check all the doors is to hide all the walls. To do that is to pick up one of the walls, just a single wall, anywhere. Let's go to the glasses, or one of the view settings, and then click on hide category. So this hide all the walls in the building. Now you can look at all the doors. And then burn out the wall spike. Go back to the same glasses button. Reset a temporary, hide isolate. Now we have all the doors for the building. Save the project. And the next video will show us how to add windows to the building.